Let's see. I'm gonna get some video. Yeah, what's up there? What's up there, baby girl? Okay. Do things come out? No, don't pay attention to me. What's that? No, quit looking at me. What is that? Did you get some? What was it? Get it. What is that? What is that? This way Katie can see what's going on the other side of the door when she sees the video.
Poor Katie locked in there.
I know. What'd you get? What is that? Are you going to slide it back under? For a minute there, I thought she was. I thought you were going to do that. I thought you were going to do that. What? What? Oh, what is that? Did you get paper towel? Did you get paper towel? What is that? What is that, Rue?
This is fun, huh?
Hi. Now you're going to be very disappointed when something doesn't come out from under that door.
Yeah, Katie's got to keep finding things every day for the rest of her.
What?
Too many people.
What? Oh, you got it. You got it. Good girl. Good girl. Hi. Don't lick the camera. Don't lick the camera.
Sorry, lick the camera.
Who knew there were such treasures on the other side? What? I know, she's trying to figure it out. It's okay. Yeah. He's a good girl. Are you a good girl?
Go show your other treat.
What? What'd you get? Don't look at the Oh, you've got a big old wet spot on the camera lens.
You can have both.
Did you get a snake shed?
She's like, are you the
Yeah. Are you the Wizard of Oz?
No, I was trying to give you that slip.
What? Oh boy.
Pay no attention to the girl behind
Yes.
the door.
What? What?
What a fun day.
What a fun day. Get it back. What a fun day. Sit. Sit. Bring it here. Good girl. Good girl. Bring it here. Bring it here. Okay, drop it. Drop it. Sit. Like this. Sit. Good girl. Oh, good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Okay. Let me have it. Let me have it. Good girl. Good. Oh, shit. You. Get it? Can I have it? Let's drop it. Drop it. Drop it. You were doing so much better last night. Yes, you were. No, I'm not playing. You're crazy. You're crazy. Ready? Good girl. Here. Is that fun?